Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage SIM pin on iPad 9th Gen. If you have a physical SIM inserted into your iPad, you can manage its SIM pin when SIM pin is enabled. Then whenever you restart your iPad or take the SIM card out and put it back into your iPad or a different device, it will ask you to enter the pin to use it. To do it, go to Settings, then go to Mobile Data and choose your SIM card. Click on this button here, then SIM pin, and now enable it. And then you'll need to first enter the pin that was previously set, so either the default one, or if you've changed it before, you need to enter the current one and click on Done. And now the SIM pin is enabled. You can change it by clicking on Change Pin. Then first enter the current pin. Done. Then the new pin. I'm gonna set this one. And now enter it again to confirm and click on Done. Now the SIM pin has been changed. And now I'm gonna show you how to disable it. To disable it, just disable SIM pin and then enter it. Then click on Done. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.